Water damage restoration in Delanco, New Jersey isn't just about fixing property. It's about restoring peace of mind. A burst pipe or flood can disrupt everything in an instant. Water damage spreads faster than you think. Without quick action, your home or business could face mold, rot, and structural issues. At Restoration Specialists, we don't just remove water, we stop the problem at its source. Our 24/7 emergency response team is ready to help when you need it most. Mold thrives in damp spaces and can be harmful to your health. We eliminate moisture and prevent mold from spreading before it becomes a bigger issue. Not all damage is visible, but hidden moisture can cause long-term problems. Our advanced detection tools ensure every affected area is addressed. A quick cleanup isn't enough. You need full restoration. We handle everything from water extraction to repairs, so your space feels like home again. Call 609-669-2155 or visit restoration-specialist.com/areas-serve/Burlington-County-NJ/Delanco for expert water damage restoration in Delanco. Restoration Specialists, fast action, complete restoration.